Today is a great day. It is a great day indeed. Our beloved Sri N. Reddy has given consent to inaugurate this. We have been trying to inaugurate this for a long time, but unfortunately one electrical work was commenced and could not be completed on time. And again one civil work for replacing the tiles. That's so a long delay. Otherwise this function would have been organized some 6 months back. So every staff member is asking, sir, ఎప్పుడు వస్తున్నాడు ఎప్పుడు inaugurate చేస్తాడని. Everybody knew that it is going to be inaugurated by you. You are so dear to us. He is very busy today and I could succeed in taking his appointment. Thought of doing it yesterday evening, but he said I was very busy with some Tanzanian delegation who had come to study metro railway. So with great difficulty, he has squeezed half an hour time and given this morning. And after this, he has to leave for a lecture for this ISB to deliver a lecture. So I am very thankful to you, sir. Coming to my association with him, I joined as IRS probationer in 1987, and as a lone probationer, happened to join late, 1 year late, and did not join along with my batchmates. I after 1 week just introduction training like thing in Baroda, I came to South Central Railway. I first met him. Before that, I didn't know about him. He was immaculately dressed, very handsome, with a tie. Now, without tie, he is there now. So, N.V.S. Reddy is famous for his, what should I say? He is a man of steel, determination, and a taskmaster. Right from my senior scale days, my probation days, I have been associated with him, and this is my 25th year of association. Wherever he is, I am in continuous touch with him. And he said to me, Pratap, you came from a bank. Our offensive is very much interested in finance working. You should develop finance work and all that. After probation, after 2 years, I went to Southern Railway, and Southern Railway, he brought me within 25 days. He drafted even my request letter to Railway Board. That's how I am very grateful to him. And since then, and I happen to work with him in construction, and I will tell you about his contribution to railways in a couple of minutes after. This is my association with N.V.S. Reddy, and I didn't leave any opportunity to read or articles or paper reports about him. And I do not know how many of you are regular readers of Enadu. On Children's Day, I have seen a photograph with a very little boy on a Lambretta scooter photograph. Hey, who is this on Lambretta scooter? Then I closely observed, it is written N.V.S. Reddy, Managing Director, Metro Railway. So, right from childhood, he has the willpower. Those days, even cycle is a rare commodity in most of the cities, indeed, in India. So I saw him on a Lambretta scooter in a photograph. So that is how I admire him, his ability and all that. He is a great administrator. Now coming to his contribution to Indian Railways and Southern Railway in particular. Most of the time he was in Southern Railway before a short spell of Konkan. Wherever he is there, right from SAO finance days, his works programs are so well written and used to get appreciation from Railway Board. Works programs. Now everything is digitalized. I don't know whether they are reading it or not. Simply everything is digitalized. Online. So all sophisticated online programs now. Those days, I still remember, he maintains an office in his residence. Takes lot of files, take hard work. Do hard work and produce, and sometimes he calls me, hey Pratap, you see this para is written by me, and it has gone just like that to Railway Board on this works program, comments from railways. So that is his dedication right from the beginning of his career. I forgot to tell you, because most of you may be knowing about him. He is from a tiny village in East Godavari, did his graduation in Ramchandrapuram, did his post-graduation in Jawaharlal Nehru University, did a small stint as lecturer in Assam, and finally landed in IRAS and the railways, and this service should be proud of him because he got into IRAS. I don't want to take much of time because he's very busy. Sri N.S. Reddy, his contribution to railway, especially in construction, when gauge conversion was started by the then Honorable Minister, Mr. Jafar Sharif, we made it. We stood first in Indian Railways and converted so many kilometers. I don't know how many kilometers. Must be in more than 2,000, something like that. During this period, and I was his SAO construction. I was his deputy FNCO construction. His techniques in solving staff problems and all, you may be knowing it. This canteen, when it was crowded and all that, then he had given some funds from construction. I was his SAO construction and made it that standing and eating with that like that. So there was a lot of demonstration just in front of this building. I was his SAO construction, he was deputy, Mr. Balchandran was FNCO construction. Lot of grievances of staff about so many things like water problem, plumbing problem, so many things. They don't want to enter the building. All organizations put together, all became one and fight that we have not been given any facilities. Why should we work in this building? He is the man courageously stood behind FNCO and addressed this gathering and said, please come forward and come and occupy your chairs. We will see that all your problems will be solved. That is his commitment, his administrative capability.